wrong, Sandy? I'm sorry. We're gonna have to break up.
What? What are you talking about?
I just can't be with you anymore.
Why?
I'm sorry. But you're the one that I want! You're the one for me! Darling!
Man, I can't believe I lost Sandy to scum like that.
You kill him!
No, man, I can't go to jail again.
Drag race.
Okay, that's a good idea. Whoever wins gets Sandy!
Yes!
Hey, Sandy.
I don't think I should be talking to you. I'm a Danny now.
We're just talking. It's fine.
What are you doing talking about, girl?
We're just talking. Chill out, man.
Let's settle this once and for all.
Fine, we'll drag race.
Fine by me.
Meet me at the parking lot after school.
Sounds great. Have an excellent day.
I will!
Sandy. Don't tell anyone. Read it. Don't tell anyone.
Sandy, you need to know.
After spending all that.
Oh my god, this is really bad. Look how heinous I am.
Don't go, Danny. Don't go.
Why?
Jen has me a note in math class, and it said it was something that's really bad happened, and you're gonna fail at your next challenge. You can't do it. You can't.
I have to.
No, you can't.
I'm fine. I'm a tamer. It's fine. Look, I have grease lightning. It's all good. I've already made this commitment. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I'm gonna win. It's fine. I'm a teamer. It's fine.
Yeah.
Be like a teacher.
T is for Tyler.
Like, give me that note. And then she reads it.
Meet me at the parking lot at 2:30.
Hey.
Then you perform. Yeah, that's what you do. Okay, so then okay. I mean,
It doesn't matter.
I'm
yeah.
back.
Like